Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to do splitting of bees into from one beehive to another. Means we are making two beehives of one beehive. So let us start with it. It is better to split the bees when they are getting more in number, or else they change their house. So it's better to do splitting. Now, my father is doing splitting of bees. See these beehives. It has so many bees in it, so they must get splitted. Now let us start with it. We have to check that we don't take any queen bee in the frames uh, in the new beehive. See this. We will take the frames in this beehive. We have to note that there should be many eggs in the frame, and there should be uh, many eggs, honey, and there should be one queen's house. See this frame. We have to check whether there is queen bee or not. See this. There are so many bees. There is a queen bee, so we cannot take it. We have to take frame which has a queen's house. We have to take 2 to 3 frames in the new beehive. See this frame. It has so many bees, and it also has eggs. Now we will put this in new frame. Now we are taking another frame. See, this frame has many eggs in it. There are lots of eggs. They will form larva and pupa. See, it also has queen's house. So we will take it in new frame.
New box. New box.
New beehive. Now we will check another. See, it has good number of eggs in it.
check.
We will not take this frame. See, it also has honey stored in it. We will put this in new box. So this was it, and we will also put some honeybees in it. No, we will not put. Wait a second. Now we will cover the box, and we will put. We have some new bees in it. So this was it. The splitting of bees. Now we will keep the both beehives separately. Now we are covering it. This is the season of splitting, so we are splitting it. But if there is no season of splitting the bees, you should not split it, or else they will fly away. Now we are also covering this new beehive, and we will place it far. Some bees will stay inside, some bees will again go over there because they have the smell of queen bee. Now we will take it. We will keep it some distance far. See, we have kept it over here. Now we will cover it. So this was it. If you like the video, please like our video. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. If any queries, let us know by the comment box. Thank you.